Have you ever wondered how others perceive the vibrant colors surrounding us? For some, this experience differs significantly, impacting their daily lives. This condition, known as colorblindness, affects millions worldwide, altering their perception of colors. Colorblindness, also called color vision deficiency, is not about seeing the world in black and white. Instead, it's about seeing colors differently than most people. Imagine struggling to differentiate between red and green or blue and purple. This is the reality for individuals with colorblindness. This condition is more common than you might think. In fact, it affects approximately 1 in 12 men and 1 in 200 women globally. While the numbers may vary slightly depending on the population group, it's clear that colorblindness is a widespread phenomenon. Understanding colorblindness is crucial not only for those directly affected but also for society as a whole. By raising awareness and promoting inclusivity, we can create a more accessible and understanding environment for everyone. Colorblindness isn't a one-size-fits-all condition. There are different types, each affecting color perception uniquely. The most common is red-green colorblindness. Deuteranomaly reduces sensitivity to green light. Protanomaly affects red light perception. Severe cases like deuteranopia and protanopia lack green or red light perception. Blue-yellow colorblindness is rarer. Tritonomaly affects blue and yellow hues. Tritonopia may see blue and green as gray. Monochromacy means seeing only in shades of gray. Understanding these types aids in diagnosis and management. Recognizing these challenges helps create inclusive environments. Why do some people experience the world with altered color perception? The answer lies within our genes, the blueprints that determine our traits, including our ability to see colors. Our eyes contain specialized cells called cones, responsible for color vision. These cones contain pigments sensitive to different wavelengths of light. The genes for these pigments are on the X chromosome. Men with one X chromosome are more likely to be colorblind. That's why colorblindness is more common in males. Women have two X chromosomes, so one can often compensate for a faulty gene. Specific gene mutations determine the type and severity of colorblindness. For instance, mutations in the OPN1L gene are linked to red-green colorblindness. Mutations in the OPN1MW and OPN1SW genes are associated with blue-yellow colorblindness. Understanding the genetic basis of colorblindness helps us comprehend why it runs in families. It also paves the way for potential gene therapy approaches, offering hope for future treatments. Section 4. Historical Insights. Unveiling the colorblind spectrum. The recognition of colorblindness as a distinct condition is relatively recent, dating back to the late 18th century. Prior to that, individuals with color vision deficiencies likely went undiagnosed, their struggles dismissed or misunderstood. One of the earliest documented cases of colorblindness involved the renowned English chemist John Dalton. In 1794, Dalton, who himself was colorblind, published a scientific paper titled "Extraordinary Facts Relating to the Vision of Colors," detailing his own experiences and observations. This groundbreaking work, considered the first scientific account of colorblindness, brought the condition to the forefront of scientific inquiry. Following Dalton's pioneering work, researchers began to investigate the causes and mechanisms of colorblindness. In the 19th century, the development of the ophthalmoscope, a device for examining the inside of the eye, allowed doctors to visualize the retina and study its role in color perception. Over the years, our understanding of colorblindness has advanced significantly thanks to the tireless efforts of scientists and researchers. From the discovery of the genes involved to the development of diagnostic tools, we've come a long way in unraveling the complexities of this condition. Section 5. Living with colorblindness, Everyday Challenges and Triumphs. While colorblindness is not a life-threatening condition, it can present various challenges in daily life, impacting individuals in different ways. Imagine struggling to choose matching clothes, decipher traffic lights, or appreciate the full beauty of a sunset. These are just a few of the everyday hurdles faced by people with colorblindness. In school, children with undiagnosed colorblindness may face difficulties with color-coded learning materials or art projects. As adults, certain professions such as pilots, electricians, and designers may prove challenging due to the reliance on accurate color perception. However, it's important to remember that individuals with color blindness adapt and thrive in remarkable ways. They develop coping mechanisms, rely on other senses, and excel in fields where color vision is less critical. Many individuals with colorblindness lead fulfilling lives, contributing significantly to society. They remind us that diversity is a strength, and that limitations can often be overcome with creativity and resilience. Section 6. Raising awareness, illuminating the invisible struggle. Despite its prevalence, colorblindness often remains an invisible struggle, misunderstood by those who don't experience it firsthand. Raising awareness is crucial to foster empathy, understanding, and inclusivity. Educators can play a vital role by incorporating information about colorblindness into their curriculum, ensuring that students understand the condition and its impact. Employers can create more inclusive work environments by providing colorblind-friendly resources, such as color-coded maps and charts with clear labels. Simple actions, like using high-contrast colors in presentations and avoiding color-based instructions, can make a significant difference. By being mindful of our language and design choices, we can create a more accessible and welcoming world for everyone. Technology also offers promising solutions. From colorblindness correcting glasses to mobile apps that identify colors, innovative tools are empowering individuals with color vision deficiencies to navigate the world with greater ease and confidence. Section 7. Conclusion, celebrating diversity in vision and beyond. Colorblindness, a condition affecting millions worldwide, reminds us that our perceptions of the world can vary greatly. By understanding the different types, causes, and impacts of color vision deficiency, we can move towards a more inclusive and supportive society. While challenges exist, individuals with colorblindness demonstrate remarkable resilience, adapting and thriving in diverse fields. Their experiences underscore the importance of embracing diversity, not only in vision but in all aspects of human experience. Let us strive to create a world where everyone feels seen, understood, and valued, regardless of how they perceive the spectrum of colors that paint our vibrant world.